Hi everybody, now we'll talk about revenue and profits with a waterfall chart. Let's jump into my flows and select the waterfall chart that I already prepared. Let's jump into the file manager. As you should know, we jump into our dataset, in this case the waterfall sample data. This is uploaded and is getting enriched. When this is done, let's jump directly into the plot dashboard. Here I search, of course, for our beautiful waterfall chart. I select the data that I want to analyze, and here it is. I'm prompted with this overview. I select the category column, in this case, which is called conveniently category, and the measure column called value. This is beautiful, but I want a slightly different overview because I want to see a different type of overview. In this case, I select the measure type. And now the plot has changed. We can create it, and here it is, our beautiful plot. I don't really like the legend, so we can just eliminate this. And we have this beautiful plot that allows us to understand the starting revenue and what is the net profit. Thanks for watching.